Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to import your contacts from Gmail to iPhone. So first of all, go ahead and update your Gmail to the latest version so you won't face any trouble making that process, basically, right? If there is a new update, just go ahead and do it, and if there isn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to my browser. Now if you want to sync Google Contacts with your mobile device or computer, open your iPhone or iPad, open the settings gear, tap contacts, and you might need to scroll down, tap add account, and then add the account that you want or the email, and then follow the instructions to sign into your Google account, and then choose which Google app to sync with your device, and then tap save. So we're gonna go ahead to the settings, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the contacts, and here you're gonna be able to see accounts. Click on it, and basically you're gonna be able right here to see I have three accounts: Gmail, iCloud, and a mail, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and add an account, and you're gonna be able right here to see the money exchange to choose your account from. And if you wanted to add Google, which is pretty famous, you're gonna add the email or Gmail basically and the password, and you're gonna be able to see at the finish line, you're gonna be able to see, if you want to save your notes or contacts to your iPhone and or sync it, you're gonna be able to toggle on the contacts and notes or whatever, right? And you're gonna be able to save all of your contacts automatically to your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.